Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a wise old grandmother named Clara. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and painted the sky in hues of orange and purple, the village children would gather around her, eager to hear her stories. Clara would sit on her weathered rocking chair, her silver hair tied in a neat bun, her eyes sparkling with memories of days gone by. With a gentle smile, she would begin her tale. Long ago, in a land far away, there lived a curious young girl named Eliza. Eliza loved to explore the woods near her home, where trees whispered secrets and streams giggled with joy. One day, as she ventured deeper into the forest than ever before, she stumbled upon a hidden glade bathed in golden sunlight. The children listened intently as Clara's voice carried them into the enchanted world of Eliza and her adventures. Each character she described came to life in their imaginations, and every twist and turn of the story held them captive. As the night grew darker and the stars blinked into view, Clara wrapped up her tale. And so, dear children, remember that the greatest adventures often await those with open hearts and curious minds. May you always seek the magic in the world around you. With a chorus of thank yous and reluctant goodbyes, the children bid Clara good night and scattered to their homes, their hearts aglow with the warmth of her storytelling. And so, under the watchful gaze of the moon, another chapter closed in Clara's book of stories, leaving behind dreams and memories to carry the children through the night and into the dawn of a new day. Grandmother stories have a timeless charm, weaving together imagination and wisdom to create moments that stay with us forever.